Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to look into order by. So as you can see, I have just created an auto generated script where I am going to generate a alphanumeric a alphabet of 26 alphabets. So let's say over to here I am going to just add my alphabets. So I have A to B, C, D, E, I, everything. So in sorting, I am going to just remove all the sorting, and now I am going to add so over to here I am going to load my data again. Let's say data load alpha comma number comma as junk resident of character, and I will say drop table character. Okay, so now I have a table with all the characters, and now I can just say order by, and I will say alpha as ASC, and I can say number as ascending, and over to here I am just going to drop field, this particular field, because I don't need it anymore. So if I reload my data and if I go to the data model viewer, as you can see it is coming from A to Z. Now if I just do a descending order, now I get from Z to A. So based on your order by, you can play around with your data as well.